Dear students, hi, good morning to one and all. I am Meera Miss, a school counselor. Hope you are all doing well. It is 1 month since you are attending online classes. In case of class 10 and 12 students, it is almost 3 months. In this situation, let me start by asking all of you a simple question. What is the difference between school and life? Think about it. You might have different answers, but one that I have recently realized was that in school you are taught a lesson and then given a test. In life, you are given a test that teaches you a lesson. In the past few months, we were tested by the life-changing COVID-19. In fact, in a way, we are still being tested by the outbreak. Today, let us take some time to think about the lessons that we have learned from the past 3 months. First lesson, the value of freedom. It only when we were forced to stay at home for our own safety that we realized how free we were. The freedom to go out for a walk, freedom to go to shops, freedom to roam around and see places, freedom to play outside and freedom to meet other people, etc. Second lesson, the value of loved ones. The pandemic has brought us close and closer to our loved ones. Some of us were not lucky to have our loved ones with us. We worried about their well-being and constantly kept contact with them. The disease made us realize the value of our relations. Third lesson is patience. Those of us lucky to have our loved ones with us learned the art of patience. When brought closer, our loves as well as differences were magnified. I believe we were able to harness patience to sort out our differences. After all, what other choices do we have? We have got enough time to engage with other hobbies like cooking, farming, reading, and even showcase our talents through social media. There were other lessons as well. The lesson of positive thinking and the lesson of compassion to those fallen sick. The lesson of respect to our government and police force and the lesson of gratitude towards our health workers. But the most important lesson that we are learning and must learn is the lesson of tolerance. This pandemic is not over yet. Let us be able to tolerate the inconveniences of not being able to come to school, sit beside our friends, and interact with our teachers face to face. Let us strive forward together until the end. We shall overcome by break the chain through social distance by wearing masks and gloves. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you.